Okay, ready?
Okay. What is it?
Night hikers, we're hiking up hills. Night hikers, we're hiking for thrill.
Do it again. Do it again, one more time. I wasn't expecting that.
Okay.
I was expecting something to do with that.
Night hikers, we're hiking them hills. Night hikers, we're hiking for thrills. Night hikers, we're hiking in Seoul. Night hikers, the summit's our goal. Oh!
Yeah,
Night hikers.
I like it, I like it.
Night hikers, the summit's our goal.
Let's do it.
Night hikers. Night hikers, we're hiking the hills. Night hikers, we're hiking for thrills. Night hikers, we're hiking in Seoul. Night hikers, the summit's our goal. We should make a dance routine.
That was good actually.
It's really good, isn't it? How bonkers is that?
Actually, yeah.
Mate, your back is scratched to shit from last night.
Look at the scratch there.
Oh my god, Harry, look at his scratch on his side. And his knee as well.
Oh, that's okay.
It's okay.
That's what happened in the first episode of Night Hikers, we're hiking them hills. This is Night Hikers. Night Hikers, we're hiking them hills. We're waiting for Rafi and Joe, they're coming down the corner now. And we're gonna head on the train to Inwangsan, and then we're gonna do some night hiking for some amazing night views of Seoul. Here they are. Don't even know. I pray, God knows I want
God knows!
We're about to hike Inwangsan. It's late at night, 9 PM. Joe's put on his socks and it's got holes in it. He's got his flip-flops on. And we're all tipsy, which is fair to say. We're gonna go to the end carriage. From there we're gonna go to Gondok. We're gonna change to Sodimune, and then from there we're gonna go to the Donwimune gate, and then walk past the village and head up to the top of Inwangsan next to the wall for some great night views of Seoul, South Korea.
Terrible.
It's pretty terrible.
It's
not
awful.
terrible, it's good.
No, it's awful.
What do you mean? I put effort into it.
It's awful.
We're here, Sodimune, exit number 4. We're gonna walk straight for about 100 meters, and then from there we're gonna go left of the side of the Hanyang Doson mountain fortress wall to the top of Inwangsan. And Inwangsan is one of the 4 mountains in the Seoul city centre that you should definitely hike up. The 4 are Ansan, Inwangsan, Bugaksan, and Naksan. Also, I recommend Gwanaksan and Bukhansan, but in the Seoul city centre, those are ones that you should definitely go and visit. And we've decided to do a bit of night hiking. Sing the song, Hetty?
Night hikers. Na 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 na. Night hikers. The summit's our goal.
That was terrible.
Oh, that was cool. Night hike is way better than afternoon hike. The breeze.
We were going to do the hike at around 7 PM so we could watch the sunset, but we were sat by the river drinking beers and it was so hot.
So hot.
And the thought of hiking a mountain in that heat, we were like, no way. So we sat at home with the aircon for a little bit, and now we've got the train. We've got 2 trains. It only took about 15 minutes. And from the station to the top of the mountain should only take about 50 minutes. However, we're going to be drinking beers and we're probably going to do it very slowly. So it might take a little over an hour, but we're in no rush to do it. The mountain's going to be empty as well because Inwangsan is normally a very busy mountain, especially on the weekend. There's hundreds of people trying to go to the top. Have you done Inwangsan before at all?
I don't know what it is.
So Harry's Korean from Seoul. She doesn't know what Inwangsan is. Do you want some beers?
Yeah. I don't want to.
I think you need some water, mate. In front of us is Donwimun Museum Village, where Donwimun Gate is. Moon is the Korean word for gate or door, and this is where one of the 8 gates that protected Seoul were. Now there's only 6 remaining. Donwimun is one of the 2 that were destroyed, so that's why there's a museum here. So from here we're going to head up north to the top of the mountain.
Which way are we going?
I think there's a Pyeongjong just down here. I can actually see the lights there for the Pyeongjong, the green lights. Yeah. So we're just going to go to the Pyeongjong, get some beverages, and then head back up that way to Donwimun, to Inwangsan, the tallest mountain
Inwangsan!
in South Korea. What moment makes you happy in life?
Being born.
Being born? Mine was meeting you, mate. We're going to hike a mountain, Harry. What are you going to drink?
Gotta stay hydrated.
What are you going to drink, mate?
Have you got some shit for us?
Here is the start of the night hike. To start the hike, should we do our song? Alright, you just wait there. Night hikers, we're hiking them hills. Night hikers, we're hiking for thrills. Night hikers, we're hiking in Seoul. Night hikers, the summit's our goal. Night hikers.
Yeah, smashed it.
I've never met so many unenthusiastic people in my life.
We smashed that.
Yeah, we smashed it. Should we smash that bottle of wine and then smash the mountain? Yeah.
Nothing
Mate,
prepares you more for a hike than a
bottle of
red.
Bottle of Casillero del Diablo and some soju.
Oh.
And I'd like to mention, the moon looks fantabulous tonight. Look at that. That bright thing in the sky is the moon, and that creates waves on the planet.
Mate. Sorry.
Alright.
Night hikers.
From the old city.
I don't know about these.
God, I do love my life in Seoul, hey? Because of Corona, we're trying to think of new exciting things we can do in the city, because the standard thing to do is just to go to a bar or go to a restaurant and have a few too many beers, but obviously we can't do that. So we're using our creativity minds and being creative, C-R-E-8-T-I-V, creative.
Shut up.
Alright, cut.
Yeah, so I'm talking about creativity. We're being creative, we're trying different things. We're gonna go to the top of Inwangsan for a night hike, for great views of the city. And also the wall is lit up, so we won't be in the dark the whole way up. Here's the start of the wall. I'm gonna touch the wall. Joseon Dynasty.
Hello.
Let's go. Before I said we didn't want to hike it for sunset because it's too hot. Even though it's 10 PM, it's still way too hot. I can't stop sweating, and the hard part hasn't even started. And there's only one thing to do. Yeah, it's cool, isn't it? 2 to 1 minutes ago in the video, I mentioned the 4 best mountains in Seoul that you should hike up. Me and Rafi have actually walked around the 8 gates of Seoul, and it took about 8 to 10 hours.
Yeah,
It took a long time, it was like a full day.
It was good though.
And we came over this one, we went over Bugaksan, Naksan, we went past Dongdaemun, and if you come to Seoul, or you're in Seoul, I highly recommend doing that. You should definitely do the 8 gates walk. It's a full walk, and you get to see the whole city and experience the history of the city. If you want to watch that video, there's a link to it here. Boom. I don't think drinking and hiking is a good idea. And it's really good because the wall is lit up the whole way like these, with these little spotlights, and we can just follow the path. They've put a lot of effort into making this mountain accessible and walkable and comfortable, and we appreciate that. So we're going to go to the top, keep on drinking wine, and then we're going to show you the night views of Seoul, and it's definitely going to be worth it. When we get to the top, we're going to show you this app that Rafi's got on his phone. You point it to the sky and it tells you what the planets are and where the constellations are. So when we get to the top, we'll do that.
As it's a clear night, we'll have a little look.
We'll have also a little look. If any of you guys want to give up at any point and go get pizza school, I'll meet you at the top. and just bring me the pizza school. So
school.
I'm gonna make it to the top.
Can we order it to the top actually?
Oh man, imagine that. Imagine a pizza school delivery. Let's start a business in Seoul where we get pizza schools delivered to the top. Harry, would that be a successful business?
Where we get it delivered to us at the top.
No, we deliver pizza school to people.
Oh, you meant where we get it delivered.
No, we deliver food to the mountains of Korea.
Alright.
Oh, is that a good business adventure?
Yeah, they might.
Let us know in the comments. Send me the money at my hotmail.com. Piratedown@hotmail.com. If you want to invest in our pizza delivery service to the top of the mountain, just give me your money.
Yeah, send us money, please.
Send us money, all of it.
We'll definitely do this business.
Yeah, we'll do this business. We'll make you loads of money. We'll make money, but you'll make more money, so you should definitely invest.
Are we going up there?
Yes.
We can't do that.
It's not hard.
How hard was the first part, Harry?
It's not bad, but that's hard.
Yeah, like we're going up there. I'll give you a little fact about the Hanyang-Dosan mountain fortress wall whilst we're walking up it. When it was originally surrounding the city, it was just over 18 kilometers long. I think it was about 18.3. Today, there's only 13 kilometers remaining. 5 kilometers are buried underground, or they're being destroyed. But again, I'm going to stress this: if you come to Seoul, one of the main things you should do is follow this wall over the main mountains that surround the city, because you're going to get the best views. And do it on a night. This is the first time we're doing it on a night, and the only reason we're doing it, like I said before, is because of Corona, and we're kind of limited to what we can get up to. And this is healthy. Getting our cardiovascular system built up in Korean is Yusan So Hagoy Soyo, which means we're doing cardiovascular. And in this heat, it's good. And from here, we can just make out how hard this is going to be. Like, this is the easy part. We're already finding it a little bit difficult, but sweating. The worst thing is we're sweating so much. And we got to go up here. Maybe on the camera you can't see how bad it is, but it's pretty high. It's actually not pretty high, it's really high. Let's take a quick break for a quick song of Night Hikers. 3, 2, 1. Night hikers, we're hiking them hills. Night hikers, we're hiking for thrills. Night hikers, we're hiking in Seoul. Night hikers, the summit's our goal. Night hikers. Alright, let's go to the top of the night. Come on, yeah.
Joe, give us a piggyback.
It's pitch black.
Yeah, look at Namsan.
Oh, don't turn around, guys. Wait till we get to the top to see the views, because this is gonna be fantastic. Inwangsan is the best mountain to hike for great views of Seoul. This is fun. What a great idea. Harry's saying musawa. Opsayo. What's this again?
There is a
Are there any ghosts? Any ghosts or ghouls?
zombie.
Little green ghouls, dude.
Alright, I'm gonna sing a song whilst we go to the top. Right. Night hikers, we're hiking them hills. Night hikers, we're hiking for thrills. Night hikers, we're hiking in Seoul. Night hikers, the summit's our goal. Night hikers. Oh, bloody hell. Night hikers. You can probably make out from behind me how beautiful it is already. And we're kind of heading towards the summit. We're at the point now where it's going to get really difficult and the stairs are going to get really steep. But it's good because it's all lit up. And I said to those guys, let's not turn around until we get to the top. And then we'll experience the views. No, Rafi, don't look around, man. I'm trying my best not to look around. I can see it on the camera, how beautiful it is. But yeah, this is where we're going up now, the stairs. How beautiful that is. I think I need some wine. I need some hydration.
It's very heavy. You make it light.
Make it lighter?
Oh, make it light.
God, I definitely need some wine for the hike.
Oh, I just looked back.
Look at that, you can see already how cool it is. Stop looking, stop it. Ande.
Spoiler.
Spoiler. You know the night hikers? I made it on the way to the gym, just singing like a dickhead. Night hikers. This legend, this French guy called Devons, shout out. Brap, brap. He made a beat for it. Listen to this beat, how good it is. Listen to how good this is. Night hikers, we're hiking the hills. Night hikers, we're hiking for thrills. Night hikers, we're hiking in Seoul. Night hikers, the summits are gold. Night hikers.
Really
It's amazing, mate.
Yeah.
How good is that? That's, I think, the best thing I've ever heard in my life.
That's really fucking good.
It's really good. How good is that? It's really good. It's really good. All right, here we are. Harry's here. Where are you, Harry? Rafi, where are you?
I'm here.
They've turned the lights off on the Inwangsan wall. We're now walking to the bottom. We drunk a bottle of wine, feeling happy, feeling good, feeling fantastic. How do you feel? Feel good? How do you feel?
Good. Da, 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 da.
Yeah. So we're now gonna walk.
Oh, Jesus.
Joe, come on, let's do the outro and sing Night Hikers. Joe, come here. Sing,
Night
let's sing
Hookers.
Night
Night
Hikers for
Hookers.
the outro.
So bright, what the fuck are you like? Are you actually a psychopath? Fuck me, Jesus Christ. Right,
Let's just sing Night Hikers and then we can fucking end the video, right? You're pissing me off. Everyone come here, come together, let's sing Night Hikers and then the video can finish.
I wanna go home
10
now.
times.
Yeah, let's go, come on.
Night hikers, we're hiking them hills. Night hikers, we're hiking for thrills. Night hikers, we're hiking in Seoul. Night hikers, the summits are gold. That's the end of the video. Thank you for watching. Salang Heyo, we love you so much. I'm pissed out my head. If you like the video, like it. If you don't like it, whatever, I don't care. Just comment something, do all that bullshit and just see you in the next video. Yosh.
조심해 난 해적다 나는 굳이 like 북한산 나와 머리 없어 빛나리 우는 쌍덩이 얘는 jordan이지 김치 감자청에 쌓이다